Welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Reviews, where passion meets perfection and every curve tells a story. Today, I bring you something that doesn't just break boundaries, it completely redefines them. Feast your eyes on the ultra-luxurious, reborn legend, the 2026 Honda S2000, a car that feels like a time machine built for tomorrow. Just one glance, and your pulse starts racing. The polished black exterior gleams like liquid obsidian, catching reflections of the world like a mirror sculpted by speed itself. The front fascia is a work of automotive art. An ultra-wide body kit stretches boldly across the stance, commanding attention like a panther ready to pounce. The bumper dips low and aggressive, while dramatically exaggerated fender flares swell with power, giving the S2000 an unapologetically muscular profile. And right at the heart, that shining Honda logo rests proudly above a custom S2000 license plate, a badge that whispers nostalgia but roars innovation. Move along the side, and you feel the car's intent: low, aerodynamic, and purposeful. Every contour, every line seems engineered to slice through the wind. The black chrome accents shimmer subtly under the light, and the 20-inch forged alloy wheels grip the tarmac like claws ready for action. Around the back, a twin exhaust setup breathes attitude while the LED taillights, thin and sharp, add that futuristic finishing touch. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior feels like stepping into a luxury cockpit, wrapped in premium Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting that dances across the cabin. The seats hug you tight with precision stitching that echoes performance heritage, while the digital cluster greets you with fluid animations straight out of a sci-fi movie. The floating infotainment screen sits perfectly within reach, powered by Honda's latest AI drive interface, seamlessly connecting navigation, media, and performance controls. The steering wheel feels alive, minimalist yet tech-infused, with touch-sensitive buttons that glow to your fingertips' command. Now, let's talk about what's under that sculpted hood. The 2026 S2000 brings a new heart, a 2.0L turbo hybrid powertrain delivering an exhilarating 420 horsepower. The instant torque from its electric assist launches you forward, while the turbocharged engine sings that signature VTEC note that enthusiasts crave: 0 to 100 km per hour. Just 3.6 seconds. The transmission is a refined 7-speed dual clutch, offering razor-sharp shifts whether you're in comfort mode or unleashing it on the track. But it's not just about raw speed, it's about balance. Honda engineers have tuned the chassis with surgical precision, using lightweight carbon composites to achieve perfect 50/50 weight distribution. Cornering feels like second nature, every input is met with fluid, confident response. And with adaptive suspension, you can glide in luxury one moment and carve corners the next. As for pricing, early estimates suggest the 2026 Honda S2000 will start around $75,000, pushing higher with performance and luxury packages. But what you get isn't just a car, it's a driving experience, a rebirth of a legend that combines technology, design, and soul in one irresistible form. So there you have it, the 2026 Honda S2000, where modern performance meets timeless emotion. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built to make your heart race every time you touch the ignition. Thank you for watching Car Reviews. If this stunning black beast stole your heart too, hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed reviews, and let me know in the comments, is this the greatest S2000 ever made? Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and keep chasing the thrill.